Thanks for joining for another behind the scenes with Lawnzcapes. We are here in the beautiful Naples Park actually, and we got a call from a customer who just bought this house and the yard is a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that up for them. So this is gonna be our part of the video. Turn this around. So we're gonna be trimming some of this, definitely cleaning all of this up. This is bark that came from that tree right there. We're gonna be mowing, and gonna be trimming the palm trees, trimming these hanging roots. So I'm sorry, hanging branches. Same here. They want to keep the vines, so we're keeping that, but we're gonna clean here a little bit just to make it look nicer. And now we're heading to the front. Trim this a little bit. And we're gonna be mowing, weed whacking. We're gonna spray for weeds. And a lot of these areas here in the corner, you can see the difference between the neighbors' grass and their grass here. Oof, very tough. And here we are in the front. Not too bad here at the front. We're gonna clean a little bit over there and a little plant over there. Again, thanks for joining. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. Part 2.